Hi everyone, this is the gas walkthrough for some date in the future. I don't know when these will be published, and it is these because there are two puzzles together. Bill is planning another one of his two classics days, and this first one is called You Have Bought Yourself a Boat by Bill Murphy. I'm Philip Newman, and this is just a classic Sudoku, 1 to 9 each row, column, and 3x3 box. And those are the rules. And we'll just jump right into this one. And I don't remember if I've solved this one or not, so I will just see what I see. So we have 2s here, 2s in one of these cells. We have 8s looking into this box. This is 8. We have 6s. And what I'm looking for here is multiples of the same digit within a set of 3 boxes. So we had that with 2s here, we had that with 8s, we had that with 6s, we had that with 7s, so I will go ahead and mark that. Down here we have 3s. In fact, we have 4 3s looking at this box. So even if we didn't have this given 8 here, 3 would still have to go here. We have 4s looking in this box. We have 5s here. Right. Let's go vertically now. So we have 2 4s here. Keep hitting the wrong key. 2 5s. So 5's up here somewhere. 2 1s. 1 is also up here somewhere. And there's a 1 here. So 1 and 5, like that. Now we have 2 1s here. So one of these is 1. Just go ahead and mark that while I'm thinking about it. I have 2 6s here. So 6 has to go here in this box. Right here, we need a 6 in one of these cells. Need a 2 in one of these cells. 8 in these cells. I don't see any of that being resolved yet. We got our 3 already vertically. What about 7? 7 has to go here. And 8. 8 has to go in one of these cells. Alright, so what else can we look for here? 1 in this box is fairly limited. 1 of 2 places here, I will go ahead and mark that. What about 2? Got 2's here. 2 is in one of these 2 cells. Probably a better way to go about this, but this is a way you can go about it. 3 has to go in one of these cells, so that's useful. 3 is in one of these cells, which means it's not here. So another way of seeing that is looking at this row. 3 can't go in these cells, can't go here, can't go here. So this is the only place for 3. Now we have 2 3s here, so 3 is in one of these 2 cells. Anything else we can do with 3s? 3 is going to go up here somewhere. Alright, 4. 4 we got here. 4 is in one of these cells. 4 is in one of these cells. 5. 5 is in one of these. And probably what I should be looking for is naked singles at this point, but I started this way, so I'm going to continue doing it until I can't. 6s, we didn't do 6 here. This we just missed. So this is 6. Now this is the only place for 2 in the box, or in the row. 6 has to go down here somewhere, so it's there. And now 6 goes here. And that should be all the 6s. 7, we've got 1 here. 7 is going to have to go in one of these cells because of this 7 and this 7. That means in this box, or this row, because of the 7, 7 has to go here. That makes that a 4. Now we need 3 and 9. So the 3 is not here, it's here. These are 2 and 9. These are 7 and 8. We know the order. This is not 7. 8 has to go here. These are 2 and 9. And now that we've seen the 6s, this puzzle has really opened up. There are 3, 4, and 9. The 4 has to go here. Means the 4 is here. And having all these pencil marks is helpful because once I place a digit, I can just check and place more digits without having to rescan everything. Alright, these are 4, 5, and 9. The 4 has to go here because of these 4s. I don't think we know those yet. It says 3 or 9. These are 1, 5, and 9. Not that restricted. 1, 2, and 9. I mean, I see it, so I'll use it. We have a 1, 2, 9 triple here, so this is not 2, this is not 1. Makes that 9, 2, makes that a 2, that a 9. These are 5 and 7. These are 5 and 8 in that order. So the pencil marks here told me there were 2 places for 5 and 8 in this box, but it just happened they were the last 2 digits in this row as well, so I could use them to see that those were how they had to be placed without really scanning. I could have just looked here for 5. 5 and 9 here from this 5. There's 3, 7, and 9. That's not 9. It's 3, 7, 9, 3, 9. The 7, 5, 7. This is a 5. These are 1 and 8. This is 1, 2, 9, 9, 1, 1, 5, and 9. That's the solution. So, it took me a little bit to get going in that one, but not too bad if you look for the right things. Second one is called The Deal, and I am going to assume here, probably incorrectly, that the deal is referring to my deal, as in, what is my deal? Because Bill always says that. Usually when I have made a German Whispers puzzle. Probably it's a psalm. I don't. But this is another classic Sudoku, and we will jump into it here. 6s. Pay attention to our 6s this time. 6 has to go there. 8's here. And 3. So that's 3. See anything down here yet? Got our 6s. 3 means, did it again. One of these is 3. The 8s, look up here. 4s. Okay, not a lot else going on there. Now, 7, just the next thing I saw, 7 looks down in this box. So one of these is 7. And then there's a 7 here, so one of these is 7. In this row, I don't know if this is the intended path or not. We need a 3 and a 6. 3 and 6. Not 3 and 6. We need a 6. 6 can't go here, and 6 can't go here. So that is 6. And 9 can't go in these cells, so that's 9, 7, 4. These are naked singles. Well, they're hidden singles. The 6 and the 9 were hidden. Anyway, I try to explain the terminology as I solve, and sometimes I do it in a confusing way that isn't helpful to anybody. So hopefully I didn't throw everybody off. That's a 6. This is 5 and 9. These are 2 and 1 from the givens up here. And now we need a 5. And so that is 7 and 9. That finishes the middle. 7 is going to go in one of these cells. 4's 6 in one of these cells, and 6 here. Nine has to go in one of these cells, and there's a 9 here. Means 9 is here in this box, so that's a 7. So 1, 2, and 3, and that's not a 1, and that's not a 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna mark that. These are 1 and 8. We can just place them from that 1. And actually, we could have ruled 1 out of these cells. It's down here. We still need a 9 in the box. This is 2 or 3. Alright, this column, we still need a 1 and a 2. There's 1 and 2 here. And then these are 3 and 7. Now I have a 1, 2, 3 triple here. So these are 5, 7, and 8. No, it's not 7, that's not either. Across here we need 2, 3, 4, and 8. That's 2 or 4. That's 2 or 8. This is also not 3, so that's the only place for 3, and this is 4 or 8. We have a 1, 2 pair here, so these are from 4, 5, 6. And these are from 4, 5, 7. So 7. Actually, we have a 4, 5 pair here, so this is our 7, this is our 6. These are from 1, 2, 4, and 5. These are from 3, 4, 5, 8. Look, too helpful. We need a 7 in this column. This is 2 or 8. Here we need 4, 5, and 8. Here we need a 9 still. And this is 4, 5, or 8 as well. This is the only place for 3 in this row I can see. It's not 1. This is the only place for 1 in the column. That 3 gave us 4 and 3, or 4 and 2 there, 1 and 3 and 2, 1, 2. The 2 here gave us 4, 2, 5, 8, 5, 4, 5, 8, 4. Hopefully I can stop typing the wrong digits. This is 4. The 5 here gives us 8 and 5. 2 there. And finally, the 8 here gives us 3, 8. And then it's that is the solution. I did that one a little faster, but I actually found that a little trickier. So maybe just because of the way I was explaining the first one, I don't know. But those are both enjoyable puzzles. I hope you enjoyed them as well. Let us know how you did in the comments.